Hello everyone, in this video we'll compare between LangChain versus LangGraph. Both are powerhouse frameworks for building AI-driven applications, but which one should you choose? LangChain has been a go-to for developers since its inception, offering modular components for building complex workflows. But LangGraph, the newer contender, is gaining traction with its focus on graph-based reasoning and scalability. So what's the difference? LangChain excels in chaining together language models, APIs, and data sources, making it perfect for tasks like chatbots, summarization, and data extraction. Its flexibility and extensive library support make it a favorite for developers who need quick, modular solutions. However, LangGraph takes a different approach. It uses graph structures to represent relationships between data points, making it ideal for applications requiring advanced reasoning, like knowledge graphs, decision-making systems, or multi-agent simulations. So which one is better? It depends on your use case. If you are building a straightforward application with clear linear workflows, LangChain is your best bet. But if you are tackling complex problems that require dynamic interconnected reasoning, LangGraph might be the better choice. Both frameworks are evolving rapidly, so keep an eye on their updates to stay ahead in the AI game. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.